in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do a painting using a pouring technique with acrylic painting. This is my first time as well, and these are all the ingredients you're gonna need. It's very easy to do, very affordable. So I'm gonna do 3 different paintings using 3 different canvases, and those other colors, as you can see, that I'm going to be working with. You pick your colors, whatever you want to use, whatever matches your room. For me, I just got inspired by a picture, so I picked out similar colors. For this, you're also going to need some cups. You're going to pour each paint into separate cups, and then you're going to need an empty cup as well, where you're going to be pouring all of these different colors into that one single cup in different orders. Just play with it. It's so much fun. And then you're also going to need some water, because you're going to dilute these acrylic paintings to be a little bit more liquidy so they can pour better. And that's all you need, so let's get started. Now we're gonna start filling our cup, and you choose what color you want to do. I'm actually going to use very minimal black, and I want to use more of the brighter colors and maybe a tiny bit of blue. I'm gonna place down 2 cups in the middle, just so it's easier to pour. I can move it around easier and it can drip on the newspaper. Alright, let's start! I'm so nervous! Beautiful, but it's not gonna be enough paint. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix some more colors and then pour it on the remaining side.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories. Lost in time, racing on these broken dreams tonight.
Okay guys, so I mixed another set, put way more in here. So let's start doing it again. Hi guys, so I decided to film a little outro while you're watching this last painting. Unfortunately, I was not too happy with how this last one turned out, as the pink was dominating mostly. However, I added some more detailing off camera, and once it dried it looked very nice. As I said, this was my first time doing this and I had so much fun, and I'm pretty obsessed how they turned out. I think this could be a great gift to give to someone. Overall, I really like how they turned out. I ended up doing a fourth one and it looks super good. My only advice is to mix the paint with the water more on the liquidy side so it runs easier and doesn't stop so fast. As you could see with me, I had to keep mixing more paint to fill out the whole canvas, which was pretty annoying. You can also try to paint the canvas with plain white before you start the pouring to create a slippery surface underneath. I was just too lazy to do that. But thank you so much for watching, and here are all the final results once they all dried.